Welcome back to the channel, guys. As you may know by now, I like to bring you guys along with me for adventures, and today's adventure is at Tromsø Arctic Reindeer, where, as you might guess it, we have a ton of reindeer. A ton. Metric ton. So I'll just show you guys around. Come on. So the cool thing about this place is that you can come here and you can do a lot of different activities, but today I'm just trying to pet some of the animals. You can give them some food. I'll take some cool pictures and just enjoy this amazing sky behind me. The sun is almost back to Tromsø, just a couple of weeks away. I'm looking forward to it. But today I'm enjoying the reindeers at Tromsø Arctic Reindeer. You guys saw how he was not interested in what was inside the bucket. He was more interested in fighting with me. And now he's fighting that guy. Okay guys, I want to introduce you to my good friend Babang. I am trying to push him to start a YouTube channel on his own, because what do you do, Babang?
Yeah, as I said, my name is Babang. I do actually fly. No, actually, yeah, I build, crash. No, I build, fly. No, actually, yeah, I build, crash. No, I build, fly, crash, drone, and then start again.
He's an FPV pilot and he's really good at what he does.
Sometimes.
Sometimes. He's good when he's good.
Yeah, it's shit when it's shit.
And he's gonna start a YouTube channel talking about drones,
yep,
and how to build them and how to learn to fly them and everything. And I'm gonna make videos, more videos with him. I've already crashed one of his drones and I'm gonna crash more of his drones.
Yeah, you did. Yeah, we have to go and do more, man. Yeah, we have to go and do more. You did.
So
yeah, I have a lot of spare one now.
Yeah. I'll put a link below. I'll put his YouTube channel at the end of my video, this video, and you'll smash it, like it, tap it,
do all
pop
the good
it,
stuff.
all the good
stuff.
Do the juicy stuff.
I know how to do it. I'm getting uncomfortable.
Is it good?
That's really good. I'm getting popular, right?
Yeah.
You're making me popular. You make me look good too.
That's not possible.
Well, I love you too.
So yeah, I'm headed back home right now to defrost my toes. They are, I can feel one or two, at least, maybe one, on each foot. So they need some heat. And then I'm headed back out here again later tonight to hopefully capture some northern lights, because the amazing people at Arctic Reindeer were kind enough to invite me back here tonight, and I'm really looking forward to that. So I'll see you guys later. And we're back, and as you can see, it's dark outside, and this time around I brought with me my girlfriend Lisa.
Hi.
So let's go.
What are we going to do now?
We're gonna find a bucket so that you also get to feed them.
Wow.
Come on. Are you afraid?
A little bit, yes. Some of them are so big.
Now we're going sledding.
Yes, we are. Woo. And we have Rudolph here. Say hi. Hi.
Northern Lights. I wonder if this will work because this is 102 ISO. It shouldn't work, but if it does, I'm impressed.
I lifted a damn. That makes it smell.
Is the food good?
Very good.
She's got vegetarian speedos, and I got non-vegetarian speedos. It's speedos. It's Sami food made with reindeer, and it's amazing, really. So good. Not so good. Well, that was one amazing day, and I just felt like once again saying thank you to the amazing people at Tromsø Arctic Reindeer for letting me come visit them. I can't wait to go back. And if you're ever in Tromsø, I really recommend that you also go and check them out. So therefore, I've added the link to their webpage in the description below. Go check it out. And that's the end of this video. Thank you for joining me on yet another adventure. I really hope you liked it, and if you're still here watching this video, I would really love it if you subscribe to the channel and like this video, as it helps both me and the channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Come on. Come on.